Palestinian Authority has cracked down on journalists in recent weeks, using laws against online libel and slander to punish reporters for making rude comments about politicians. In Salift, in the West Bank, a magistrate's court sentenced 29-year-old Anis Ismail to 6 months in jail on charges of libel and slander against a former communications minister. According to the Jerusalem Post, Anis' specific crime was pressing the like button on a series of hostile messages posted on the Facebook page of a Palestinian politician. Reportedly, the decision was passed down without Anis' appearance in court. Meanwhile, in Bethlehem, a local court sentenced another Palestinian journalist to 1 year in prison for sharing a photo on Facebook that compared Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas to a villain and also a Syrian television character. Mahmoud Hamamreh, a reporter for the Hamas-linked Al-Quds TV, was found guilty of insulting the president and spreading the seeds of hatred and publishing false information. Reportedly, the Palestinian Authority later backed off the decision. Economic stagnation and a widespread belief in official corruption have undermined once strong public support for politicians running the Palestinian Authority. The territory has a small but active and aggressive media, which in the past has focused much of its criticism on Israel.